By the end of 2023, Algo could cost as much as 36 cents. By the end of 2030, the price of Algorand could reach $4.36 if there is a storm. In the crypto space, which is growing quickly, there are a lot of digital tools and events. One of these is Algorand, which has been able to make a name for itself in the business, which is very important. The organization is based on the pure proof of stake agreement system, and Algo is a kind of local badge for the platform. On the site, the token is used as a way to pay for things. Most of the well-known platforms, like Binance, keep track of Algorand. Coinbase global AUX trade is a very big deal, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. Algo Value has found a way to move its assets into the plan of investors. They asked, "Are you excited about putting money into an Algo? We'll tell you what you can expect Algorand to be worth in 2023, 2025, and the years after that if the company accepts local driving drives and does well with its efforts to make greener cars." The extra boost from high numbers and good feelings in May. Algorand could cost anywhere from 18 cents to 36 cents in 2023. Algorand built the world's first pure proof-of-stake blockchain, or so they thought. Their cutting-edge technology lets them make a number of Layer 1 blockchains that work well, are secure, and offer implicit safety. The company's goal, or so they thought, was to build trust all over the world through decentralization and give a rich innovation that would bring in billions of users. People can sort of make and send tokens, NFTs stablecoins, and shields with their future fight item. Even though this Algorand makes it easy for anyone to connect with the public organization, the Algor and People Group could put a lot of effort into improving the convention and the customer base. The Algo price could hit as much as 36 cents by the end of 2023. On the other hand, the altcoin could drop to 18 cents if there is bad research and a lot of it. The price of Algorand could drop to 27 cents per Algo crypto value forecast if there are problems with the balance of trade. 2024, if the people behind the platform do everything they can to use educational and community building efforts during Bitcoin split, the altcoin will become more famous, which is very important in such a hopeful situation. By the end of 2024, the Algorand price could go up to as much as 61 cents. On the other hand, things like stricter rules and more competition could bring the price down to 33 cents. When you think about everything, the average price could be 46 cents. Estimating the price of Algorand 2025, in the next 3 years, Algo may be listed on many trading sites, and the price is likely to go up. This is a very big deal. The community could get customers and advertisers if it worked with other groups and new businesses in a coordinated way. It could make its base more secure and focus on making things easy, so the price of Algo is likely to hit what it should be. Algo value scale 2026 as per our experts Algorand cost predictions for the year 2026 could be anywhere from 82 cents to $1.24, and the average cost of Algo could be around $1.03. According to our researchers, Algorand should wait until 2027. Algo price in 2027 could be anywhere from 1.19 to 1.97, and the average price of Algorand could be around 1.58, which is a huge amount. According to our judges, the value of Algorand should go up in 2028. In the year 2028, the price of Algo could range from 1.68 cents to $2.60, and the average price of an Algorand could be around $2.60. Based on what our experts found, here is a Algo value prediction for 2029. Estimates for how much an algorithm will cost in 2029 run from $2.13 to $3.59, with an average of about $2.18. Estimates for how much an algorithm will cost in 2030 run from 2.75 cents to 4.36 cents, and the average algorithm cost could be around $3.55. Algorand value expectation. The Algorand is, by all accounts, in the current uncertain market situation, this DeFi-based platform is the best bet, despite what most people think based on an expected Algo price, especially if the company releases information like liquidity. They thought that by the end of 2023, the bot price would be 36 cents. But if the company doesn't do what it says it will do, the price could become a negative trap and drop to 18 cents. crucial probe. The person in charge of organizing the event used to teach software engineering at the Massachusetts Organization of Innovation. In 2012, he got the Turing Grant for his work on blockchain, digital currencies, and electronic money. After doing enough study and gathering enough information, he sent Algorand off in 2019. The company didn't make a big deal out of a few important things that happened. Algorand 1.0 came out in June 2019, and Algorand 2.0 came out in November 2019. Shrewd agreements were added in the 2.0 update. Layer 1 shrewd contracts follow special rules and are based on real market feelings. 2019 to 2021, Algorand's excursion began on June 20, 2019, and it was worth $2.89 when it went on the market. At the start of the excursion, the value of the ticket started to drop, and by July, it was only worth 1.43 cents. The price went down to 18 cents by September because of unsettling negative trends, and it finished the year at 23 cents. During January 2020, the price of Algo and Worth stayed at 21 cents and went down. But by the end of February, the price had gone up to 45 cents, which is a big deal after the crash of the digital currency market during the coronavirus spread. By mid-walk, Algo had dropped to 12 cents, but not long after that, the coin hit 65 cents, and by mid-August, it had reached a resistance level. Going after bad things direction, Algo was worth 37 cents at the start of the year 2021. In the middle of February, this type of token reached its yearly high of 1.71 cents. After big ups and downs, the price went down and stayed there. At the end of July 2021, the price of Algo went up, and by the end of September, it had hit a high of 2.37 cents. The resource was very bad until the middle of December, when it rose to 1.34 cents.
Up from this floor, because bulls decided to buy on the dip instead of continuing to sell. This was helped by the fact that the RSI here also hit a support zone at 45.00, and it continues to track past this point. In the coming days, bulls will likely try to get back above $1,900. Bitcoin started the week in the red as markets got ready for a big week of economic events in the United States. On Wednesday, the Federal Reserve is likely to raise interest rates by 25 basis points. On Friday, the non-farm payrolls report for April will be released. Today, Ethereum was also worth less than it was yesterday. So, what should you do if you already have Bitcoin in your portfolio? Should you run a mile or have high hopes that Bitcoin will soon bounce back to its best levels? In this detailed article, we explain